Hey everyone, if we're tired of captchas, blocked websites, or login problems when using a VPN, a dedicated IP from NordVPN could help us. In this video, we'll show how to buy a dedicated IP with NordVPN. We'll also explain why it's helpful for stable and secure online access. Let's get started. A NordVPN dedicated IP is a unique, static IP address that only we use, not shared with thousands of others like regular VPN servers. It gives us steady, reliable access to secure networks, helps us avoid captcha interruptions, and lets us get around block lists. This service costs extra and works with Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. With a dedicated IP from NordVPN, we have a private, unique IP address just for us. Its main purpose is to give us stable, trusted, and reliable access to websites and online services, while keeping our connection protected by NordVPN. Let's go through the steps together, so even if we're new, we can follow along. First, we open our browser. Then, we visit nordvpn.com. On the page, we'll see Get NordVPN at the top right and also at the bottom left. We just click either of these options. Let's click Get NordVPN. For this example, we'll pick the Get Plus plan since it's the most popular. Once here, we enter our email address. In the next part, we can add extra services. Here, we see the option for a dedicated IP. We can add or buy our dedicated IP for just $2.99 a month. We simply click Add, and that's it. Now we have a dedicated IP address on our NordVPN account. Next, we choose the payment method we want and then click Complete Purchase. That's how we buy a dedicated IP on NordVPN. A dedicated IP gives us a steady address, easier access to services, and fewer security interruptions. Take a moment to choose the right location and make sure it matches our needs. Stay secure and enjoy smooth browsing.